Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss recursively defined function. So what is recursively defined function? Here to define this function we use two steps to define a function with a set of non-negative integers as its domain. First step is basis step. So in this basis step we specify the value of the function at 0. So at 0 you need to find out the value of the given function. Second one, recursive step. Give a rule for finding its value at an integer from its values at a smaller integers. So such a definition is called recursive definition. So you need to remember these two steps to define a recursively defined function, that is basis step and recursive step. So here are some examples to discuss. Let me discuss first example. First example, suppose that f is defined recursively by f of 0 is 3, f of n plus 1 is equal to 2 into f of n plus 3. Find f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and f of 4. Here f is defined recursively, that is f of n plus 1 is equal to 2 into f of n plus 3, and also given that f of 0, the function value at 0 is 3. Okay, using this you need to find out f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and f of 4. Okay, f of 1 is equal to, how do you get this f of 1? By substituting n equal to 0. When I substitute n equal to 0, you get f of 0 plus 1 is f of 1. So this is equal to 2 into f of 0 plus 3. Okay, this is equal to f of 1 is equal to 2 into, where f of 0 is 3. 2 into 3 plus 3 implies 2 into 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Therefore, f of 1 is 9. F of 2, this is equal to, by substituting n is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, this is equal to 2 into f of 1 plus 3. This is equal to 2 into, just now we calculated f of 1, that is 9, 2 into 9 plus 3. 2 into 9 is 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. And f of 3. F of 3 is equal to 2 into f of 2 plus 3. By substituting n is equal to 2, we get this f of 3 value. So this is equal to 2 into 21 plus 3 is equal to 2 into 21. 21 into 2 is 2 2 is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 42. 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. So f of 3 value is 45. Similarly, find out f of 4. F of 4 is 2 into f of 3 plus 3. This is equal to 2 into, where f of 3 is 45 plus 3. 45 into 2 is 90. 90 plus 3 is equal to 93. Okay, this is about first problem. Let me explain once again. Suppose that f is defined recursively by f of 0 is 3, f of n plus 1 is equal to 2 into f of n plus 3. Find f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and f of 4. Here you have a recursively defined function, that is f of n plus 1 is equal to 2 into f of n plus 3. Using this recursive defined function, you need to find out f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4. Okay, to get f of 1 you need to substitute n equal to 0. By substituting n is equal to 0, we got f of 1. By substituting n equal to 1, we got f of 2. By substituting n equal to 2, we got f of 3. And by substituting n equal to 3, we got f of 4. So these are the f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4 values. Okay, this is about first problem. Okay, next. Second problem. Give a recursive definition of summation k is equal to 0 to n ak. Okay, you can identify the difference to the last problem and this problem. In the last problem we had a recursive definition. So using this definition we calculated other values. But here to this you need to find out a recursive definition of this summation k equal to 0 to n ak. Recursive, just now we discussed in a formula, that is in the definition. This contains two steps. Okay, solution. The first part of the recursive definition, the first part of the recursive definition is summation k equal to 0 to 0. By substituting n equal to 0, in the basis step you need to substitute n equal to 0. Summation k is equal to 0 to 0, ak is equal to a naught. The second part contains summation k is equal to 0 to n plus 1 ak is equal to, by expanding this summation k is equal to 0 to n plus 1 ak is equal to a naught plus a1 plus a2 plus so on plus a n plus a n plus 1. Okay. On expanding this summation, you get, by taking k equal to 0 to n plus 1, you get a naught plus a1 plus a2 plus so on plus a n plus 1. So this term you can write it as summation k is equal to 0 to n ak plus you have a n plus 1. So this is about the recursive definition of summation k is equal to 0 to n plus 1, 0 to n ak. So therefore the recursive definition summation k equal to 0 to n plus 1 ak is equal to summation k equal to 0 to n ak plus a n plus 1. Okay, this is about second. Next, third one. Obtain recursive definition for the function f of n is equal to a n, where a n is equal to 5 power n. 5 into n. Okay, solution. A n is 5 into n. F of n is equal to, given function f of n is equal to a n. What is a n? A n is 5 into n. So when n is equal to 0, you get f of 0, which is equal to a naught, that is equal to 5 into 0 is 0. F of 1 implies a1. a1 is equal to 5. F of 2, this implies a2. a2 is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10. And f of 3, this implies a3 is equal to 5 into 3, which is equal to 50. Okay, these are a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on. Okay, we can rewrite these as a0, initial condition a0 is 0 and an. How can we write this? An as an minus 1 plus 5 for n greater than or equal to 1. Okay, you can rewrite these as an is equal to an minus 1 plus 5 for n greater than or equal to 1. So this is the recursive definition of the given f of n. See, with this recursive definition, are we getting the correct values? See, by substituting n is 0. So we got a0. a0 is already there. To get a1, you need to substitute a1 value. a1 is equal to a1 minus 1, that is a0 plus 5. Means a naught is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. So you got a1 value, that is correct. a2 is equal to a2 minus 1, that is a1. a1 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. Next, by substituting n equal to 3, 3 minus 1 is a2. a2 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So what is a4? a4 is 20, a5 is 25. By looking at this, you can easily identify. We got a1 by adding 5 to this a0. Next, 2 times of this, that means 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. So you can, based on that, you can rewrite, you can this as an is equal to an minus 1 plus 5. This is a recursive definition for the given function f of n. In the next problem, find recursive definition of the given function f of n, where f of n is equal to an, where an is equal to 6 power n. Here it is given. You are finding the recursive definition of the given function f of n. Given function f of n is equal to an, which is equal to 6 power n. Okay, 6 power n. So, by substituting n is equal to 0, f of 0 is a naught, 6 power 0. This is equal to 1. Okay, we got the initial condition, that is a naught is equal to 1. Next, n is equal to 1. f of 1 is a1. This is equal to 6 power 1 is 6. f of 2, a2, 6 power 2 is 6 power 2. f of 3, a3, 6 power 3, 6 power 3. If you look at these terms, f of 3, f of 2, f of 1 and f0, when a0 is 1, how can we find out a1, a2, a3 values? Okay, a1 can be calculated by using multiplying 1 into 6. Similarly, a2 can be multiplied again with 6. a3 we can multiply it again with 6. So this we can write it as recursive definition can be written as a0 is equal to 1 and an plus 1. an plus 1 is equal to a0 is equal to 1 and an plus 1 is equal to 6 into an. 6 into an. Okay, this is the recursive for n greater than or equal to 0. 6 into an for n greater than or equal to 0. So after writing this recursive definition, we need to check, is it correct recursive definition? Yes. If I substitute n equal to 1, we get a1, that is 6 into a0, where a0 is 1. So 6 into 1 is 6. So when I substitute n equal to 1, you get a2. So 6 into a1, again 6 into 6 is 6 is, yes, 6 power 2, 6 power 3, 6 power 4. You are getting the correct values with this recursive definition. Therefore, it is the recursive definition of the function f of n is equal to an, where an is equal to 6 power n. Similarly,